Hey guys, it's been me here, and today I am here with an unboxing video. The other day I decided to go on Best Buy and purchase an Apple Watch. And this is a different type of video for my channel, but I'm pretty excited. This is my first Apple Watch ever in life, and I just wanted to record this. So let's get into it. This is what it's looking like. Can y'all see? So it has this little piece on here, and I'm just going to pull it off. It comes off really easy, you know. I'm so excited. Let me show y'all one more time. Come on, stupid camera. Okay, it needs some help. Hold on. There we go. But right here, it just have these two little, let me step to the side because I don't want to be all in y'all face. Alright. So right here it has these two little things, and I'm assuming that you pull it up. Yep, you just pull it up, and it comes in this packaging, which is pretty nice. So it has these little Apple Watches all over the inside of the package, which I think is pretty dope. It has all colors. I like that, to be honest with you. So we're gonna put that to the side, and then we have the Apple Watch, and then we have the band. And if I didn't tell y'all in the beginning of this video, I have the Apple Watch Series 5 44mm, and it is space gray. So it has a little picture of the Apple Watch on the front of it, and it's just something that you can pull up real easy. And then in the inside, whoops, let's see what this is actually. So in this little thing right here, it has instructions, which I will be needing because, like I said before, this is my first time having an Apple Watch ever in life. It has a charger. I already dropped it. Oh my God. Well, first of all, y'all, if y'all gonna do this unboxing with me, then make sure y'all are very safe with that goddamn Apple Watch. So then it has this in here. It has the Apple Watch right here, and then it has the charger right here. I dropped my Apple Watch, and then it comes in this little, I don't even know what to call this thing, a little protector, which is really cute. And I'm just going to, you know, slide this on out. I'm scared now. And this is what it's looking like. I'm kind of nervous and extremely excited. It looks a lot, it's gonna be a lot bigger for whatever reason, but this is what the back looks like. Let's go in some more. So this is what the back looks like, and then this is what the front looks like. Oh girl, I didn't drop that Apple Watch. Lord have mercy. I don't even look. I'm acting like I don't want the thing. Open this. Oh, and let's. This one don't open as easily as the other one. Oh, here it goes. That's why. Okay, so you just have to pull on it all types of ways. Cool. Okay, so I know that you can, more instructions I believe. I know that you can buy all types of different bands on Amazon, Best Buy, go to Apple, whatever. So that's probably what I would do. So opening this, let me stop saying so. Opening this, this is what it looks like. I'm so excited, guys. This is what it looks like. It has the long band, and then it has the shorter one. I'm probably gonna go with the shorter one because my wrist is like small. It's not that big. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. So once again, this is the 44mm Apple Watch. This is the Series 5, the space gray. This is my wrist, and this is how it looks on my wrist, which I'm gonna keep this one because I really like this one. Let me see. Let me make sure, because online, like, I watch a million YouTube videos and I swear that it looks bigger than what it was. Where's the box? Okay, let me stop playing. Let's turn this thing on, however you turn it on. Probably should read the directions. I turned it on. So this is what it's looks like turning on. And I'm sorry this video is all over the place, but y'all, I'm so excited and I don't know what I'm doing. So right now I'm just taking out these things. They're pretty easy to come out. I'm gonna take out all of them just because I don't really have a real reason. I'm just whatever. And then also after I purchased my Apple Watch, I went ahead and I purchased a protector. I purchased a protector from Amazon. It was like $10 versus like on Best Buy. The protector and the case, the screen protector and the case was like $20 for both of them. So if y'all don't know, Apple Watches are extremely expensive. And I did some research to see if it was worth getting one. So the new job that I have, phones are not allowed, but I kind of need my phone, you know, just to see what's going on because I'm there. And I decided that Apple Watch was like the perfect thing to get because not only can I see who's calling, texting, or whatever, if I have any appointment reminders or whatever the case may be, I can have the Apple Watch. And then also, oh yeah, if y'all haven't subscribed already, subscribe because I'm getting back into working out. So tomorrow will be my first day back working out and stuff, and I just wanted something that'll count, you know, how many active calories that I'm burning, or just how many steps I'm taking a day and all those other things. So I thought that this Apple Watch was perfect. So that's what made me get it. And then the reason why I got the Series 5, the reason why I got the Series 5, I'm just putting this on just so y'all know. The reason why I got the Series 5 was because I didn't want to take the chance. Oh, I can't get it on, y'all. I didn't want to take the chance of buying an older one, and then y'all know how Apple do when they get all these new products. The older one stops working or starts working like extremely slow, and I didn't have time for that. So I went ahead and just got the Series 5. So this is what it's looking like right now. And then now I'm just going to put these bands on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to put these things on. I hope I'm doing this right. Let me see. Let me put this on my wrist. So if this is on my wrist, then I feel like this one goes here, maybe. So this is what it's looking like. Alright, so it just asking for United States, setting language. It's taking a minute. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. So I didn't do that yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and then on my phone, it automatically did this. Isn't that crazy? All right, so my Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. We're gonna do that. Share settings. We're gonna okay it, and then we're gonna hide this passcode or whatever. And then it asks me to create my passcode. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to do. I like this watch a lot because the screen is big and it's pretty easy. Oh, look at that, vibrates and all. Okay, I like this, I like this. So tells me the time, Sunday, no, let's see, Ad City, San Antonio. Okay, oh, let's go back. Yes, no, let's do, okay, this is activity. Don't want to do that. Let's do, that is, okay, weather. There we go. So here goes the apps and whatnot. You got maps, calculator, you got the email, you have the messages, Apple Music, iTunes. No, this is not iTunes, is it? This is, what is that? Podcast. I forgot what iTunes, oh, iTunes, the little music thing. That's what it is. I don't want to look at that. Got the alarm, the timer. It's gonna come in handy for me. Got the, look at that, got the photos. Okay. Ooh, Lord, child. I don't want to put all my fitness out there. How do you go back? Okay, let's go back to the photos. No, I don't want to create a wash face. I want to see more pictures. No. Okay, I'm gonna figure that one out one day. I don't know. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna figure this one out. Don't know how this one works, but you got your pictures. Oh, that's activity again. Okay, there we go, there we go. Got your calendar. All right. Got the oh, it's a walkie-talkie. This is what the Apple Watch is like. I really like it already. This is exciting. This is so exciting. Okay guys, that was it for my unboxing video. Once again, this is the Apple Watch Series 5, 44 millimeters, and it was in space gray. This is what it looks like on my wrist. I have a pretty small wrist and I don't think this looks super huge. Oh, cool. So when it faces me, it turns white. Oh, well, it did. Okay, and then when it faces y'all, it turns black. That's pretty cool. I like that. So yes, that is it. I am super excited to use this watch. I'm super excited to start running and doing workouts and stuff so I can count my calories, and then when I cook and all these other things, like your girl about to lose its weight. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I'll be showing y'all how I use my Apple Watch and how it comes in handy. And I don't know it's gonna come in handy at work because like I said before, can't really have my phone, but with this watch, Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're thinking about getting one, I am here to tell you, sis or bro, go ahead and purchase this Apple Watch. Like, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Like, excuse you? Like, excuse you? No, I'm just playing. I won't do that. Just kidding. So yeah, that's it for my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.